What is up, guys? We are live. We are out here at Trap or Treat. So if you're watching this, you're local, make sure you come out and see us. As you can see right there, we got the bucket full of candy. We got the Trap Blaze and the Jag out here. Stank Bangers here with us. We're waiting on Wookie. Wookie's supposed to show up with the boxes and Ho-On foes. Back here you see we have this Dodge Park. It's a special guest. What's up, Steve? Tell Wookie we're waiting on him, man. Tell him we got empty spots for him. Look, right here he goes. We need him out here. But anyway, guys, we're out here for the Trap or Treat. Steve, make sure you come out and get some candy, man. I know you're not really a kid, but it's all right. You can be a kid at heart, and you can still have some candy, man. So bring your bag. Don't forget to say Trap or Treat. Smell my feet, all that stuff, good stuff. But anyway, we have a special guest, one of the followers, viewers. They come to be on the show. They drove like 20-25 minutes to be here, guys. So we want to get them on and say hi to them and put them on, but they don't even know that I'm walking up here to put them on. So they're back here checking out the Jag. So here they are, guys. This is Charlie Farmer, Jolie Farmer. They're viewers, watchers, followers, all the good stuff, supporters. They come all this way to watch us. 20 minutes from where? Warsaw? Yep. Yeah, 20 minutes away from Warsaw to be here. So, guys, that's awesome, man. That's just support. I love it. That makes my day. But you guys come out and see us. Lots of candy here for the kids. I know Jonathan, he was here. He had to go to the store. I'm not sure what he's working on. But I know he's got a big bag of candy. He can't wait to give it away. Just like that one right there, guys. We want to give it all away. Trap or Treat, guys. Come out and see us, Chevy Gang. We'll see you in a little bit, brother. See you soon. We got a spot for you. Keep on trapping, guys. We'll see you in the next clip.